I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program Chrysler 300 key fob, full guide. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and both key fobs at hand. Insert the working key into the ignition and turn to the run position without starting the engine, then back to off, repeating the cycle 3 times to enter programming mode. Press and hold the lock button on the new fob until the lock cycle, then test both fobs to confirm. Now we will walk through the step-by-step programming routine in a calm, clear way so you can follow easily. With the door closed and the working key available, insert and turn the key to run and back to off the specified number of times to activate the receiver. When the locks respond, press the lock button on the blank fob and hold until you hear a confirmation cycle. Repeat for any additional fobs and test each function. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful how-to content. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great to keep at your workbench when you are focused on car projects. It keeps you hydrated and hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into trouble, stay patient and methodical. I will offer friendly troubleshooting pointers so you can fix common problems. Start with a fresh battery in the replacement fob and confirm that all doors are closed. Check that you followed the ignition cycling precisely and listened for the lock feedback. If the vehicle battery is weak or the module refuses to learn the fob, professional help may be the fastest solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.